The image of the line x minus 1 upon 3 is equal to y minus 3 divided by 1 is equal to z minus 4 upon minus 5 in the plane of 2x minus 5 plus z plus 3 equal to 0 is the line. So, four options are there. Consider this is a given plane here. This equation they have already given 2x minus 5 plus z plus 3 equal to 0. And this is the given line here. Its equation is x minus 1 upon 3 is equal to y minus 3 upon 1 is equal to z minus 4 upon minus 5. Then this is the line here passing to the point 1, 3, 4 here. 1, 3, 4. The line passing through that point here. Then this is the required line here. So this is a image of this line on the plane here. Okay. So this is the image of the line here. Okay. Then obviously consider this point as x1, y1, z1 here. It is the image of the point 1, 3, 4 here. It is the image of the point 1, 3, 4. Then M is a midpoint of these two. Okay. Consider this point as the P here. And this is a Q. Point Q on the required line here. And M is a midpoint of a PQ. If a midpoint lies on the plane here, then which is a correct option, yes. Okay. So consider given line x minus 1 upon 3 is equal to y minus 3 by 1 is equal to z minus 4 divided by minus 5 passing to the pointer. Passing through the pointer p into bracket 1, 3, 4 and parallel to the vector. Parallel to the vector v bar whose direction ratios are direction ratios are 3, 1, minus 5. So 3, 1 and minus 5. Consider is a vector here. So this is a vector v bar parallel to this line here whose direction ratio is 3, 1, minus 5. So consider here first option here. First option. So here this line passing to the point minus 3 plus 5 plus 2. Consider this part here. Okay. So therefore first option here, a line passing through the pointer minus 3, 5, 2 years. Minus 3, then the plus 5 and the plus 2. Consider this point as a Q here. Okay. So point Q here. So 3 minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 here. So point P is this one, Q is this one here. Then find its midpoint here. So M is a midpoint of a PQ. Therefore, M is equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 2, comma 3 plus 5 divided by 2, then 4 plus 2 divided by 2. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 upon 2 gives a minus of 1 here. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 upon 2 gives a 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 upon 2 becomes 3. Okay. So is the M here. This part lies on the plane here. If it satisfies then this first option is correct here. Okay. So now 2 into. Okay. So take this equation here, 2 into x. X is the minus 1 here. Then the minus of y. Y is a 4. Then the z here. Z value 3. Plus a 3. And plus a 3 is that. Plus a 3. I am replacing x, y and z values here. Okay. X is minus 1. Y is a 4. Z value 3. Okay. This here. Then simplify 2 ones are 2 here. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. 3 plus 6, 6 minus 6 becomes a 0. Therefore, this part lies on the plane here. Therefore, M lies on the given plane. Therefore, option A is correct here. So first option is correct. Okay, because here this is the line here. This is the line passing to the point minus 3.2 here. Okay, then Q is the image of the point P here, because this line is image of means this line is the image of this line here. Means so Q is the image of the point P here. Then obviously M is the midpoint of PQ. If M lies on the plane here, then that is the correct option here. You can check whether second option correct or wrong here. Consider second option here. Here, according to this, Q is equal to what is minus 3, 5, minus 2. Minus 3, 5, and minus 2. Again, you find the midpoint of PQ here. P is this one, and Q is this one here. Use the midpoint formula 1 minus 3 divided by 2. 3 plus 5 divided by 2. Then 4 minus 2 here. 4 minus 2 divided by 2. Minus 2 upon 2 gives a minus 1 here. 8 upon 2 becomes a 4. 2 upon 2 becomes 1 here. So use this x, y and z value here. So 2 into minus of 1 here. Then minus of y value 4. So right here 4. Then the z value is 1 here. Plus 3. Then minus 2, minus 1, minus 6. Then plus 4. It is a minus 2 here. It is a not equal to 0. Means this part not lies on the plane here. So second option is wrong here. Even we can check third option here. You can check third option. Coordinate of Q is 3 minus 5, 2. So 3 minus 5, 2 here. Then find here midpoint here. Midpoint. So 1 plus 3 divided by 2. 3 plus minus 5. 3 minus 5 divided by 2. Then 4 plus 2 divided by 12. So this is equal to 4 by 2 becomes 2 here. Then it is a minus 2 upon 2 gives a minus of 1. And 6 upon 2 becomes a 3 here. So use this part in the plane here. Therefore 2 into 2 here. Then minus of minus 1 here. Then the general is a 3 plus a 3 here. So 2 to the 4. 4 plus 1 is a 5. So it is obviously not equal to 0. Therefore third option is also wrong here. Okay. Here fourth option also wrong here, because here 3 minus 5 plus 2. 3 minus 5 plus 2. Same point is there. Therefore we will get the same midpoint here. Obviously D is also not there. Therefore only this is the line here. Image of the given line here. Because here this is parallel to this one. Denominator 3 1 minus 5. 3 1 minus 5. Means this is the line here. This is the line parallel to the same vector V1, whose direction ratios are 3 1 minus 5 here. 3 1 minus 5. Both lines parallel to the same vector is. Okay, so first option is correct. Yes. So distance between the two parallel planes is what is. So this is a formula. If planes are parallel, then this is a formula. Hence, given planes are 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 8 here, or take 8 left side here, minus of 8 is equal to 0. And here divide this equation by 2 here. So 2x plus y plus 2z plus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. So these are the two given parallel planes here. Therefore, distance between two parallel planes is given right. Here d1 is a minus 8 here. So minus 8 and the d2 is a 5 by 2 divided by root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square here. Using that formula. So this is equal to 8 to the 16 here. So minus 16 minus 5 minus 21 here. Minus 21 divided by 2. Modulus sign is there. Divided by here 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9 here. Square root of 9 here. Then minus becomes a plus here. Modulus is there. So minus becomes plus 21 divided by 2 here. And square root of 9 is 3. Take this 2 to denominator and get this one here. Then the 3 ones are 3 sevens are here. Therefore 7 divided by 2 here. So C answer is